Ugh, I'm freaking starving, man. I wonder what I should go eat. I got it! Hamburgers! Oh, we don't have hamburgers. We do have hot dogs. No, though, I really don't like hot dogs. Screw it. Holy crap, this hot dog's frozen. How am I supposed to eat this? Wait, isn't the microwave supposed to heat stuff up? Wait a minute. What if I throw a banana in here? Whoa! This microwave freezes things. It's pretty cool. I'll try a spoon next. Whoa! Just turned into a piece of ice. But what if I try water? Oh, well, I should have figured that. It's frozen water. I'm gonna try one more thing. DVD. And if this works, I swear, this is the coolest thing that's ever happened. Wait. Nothing happened. Wait a minute. What if I... No, there's no way. Oh, what the fuck? It's a magic trick. I pulled it out of my ears. Don't tell anybody else though.